Good morning, students. Welcome to the virtual classes provided by DAV Thermal. In previous lecture, we have discussed the extract of beautiful poem My Mother written by APJ Abdul Kalam. I hope all of you clear this extract. Today we will discuss hearts, life skills, value and writing skill. First of all part, the hearts. How did the poet's mother act as a source of inspiration to the poet? Why the poet is so much attached towards mother. The poet's mother acted as a source of inspiration to the poet because her love was unbiased. She loved him unconditionally. Her selfless love molded him into a noble person. She was a woman of love and kindness, above all, a woman of divine nature. So that's why this poet's mother acted as a source of inspiration to the poet. Now, the life skill. There are many ups and downs in man's life, but one should not lose hope. This is the statement with reference to Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, who became the President of India. This is certainly true that there are many ups and downs in man's life, but one should not lose hope with regards to APJ Abdul Kalam. We can understand that Dr. Kalam had a very difficult childhood, living under extreme poverty, but not losing hope. He fought against all odds to receive his education and rose to become one of the greatest sons of this soil. He was the living example before us that we can achieve whatever we want in our life through our will and determination. The third part is their values. What do you learn about this poem? Sleeping on your lap to the envy of your elder brothers and sisters. Why were the elder brothers and sisters envious to the poet? Or is envy good? The elder brothers and sisters were envious to the poet because they thought that the mother cared more to the poet than them. Because the APJ Abdul Kalam was the youngest of them. Envy is not good. We should not be envious of others. Instead, we should be inspired by others and try to become better by doing good works. I hope all of you clear hearts, values. Now we will discuss writing skill. Writing skill is there. The word mother evokes powerful emotion in everyone. Think about your mother and write a short poem about her, thanking her for everything she does for you. You know, the mother is a beautiful creation, gift by the God. So you have to write down few lines. Mother is a figure of love and light, who sacrifice everything for child's delight. If there is God, that is in mother. If there is heaven, that can be no other. Even others love you for some motive, but whose love is selfless, that is of mother. I hope all of you clear and you have understood thoroughly. So this lesson is over. So you have to learn lesson 5 thoroughly at home. Thank you. Have a nice day.